Hello everyone, let's look at LeetCode question 709 to lower case. At time of recording, this question has 1.8 thousand upvotes and 2.8 thousand downvotes. So most people really don't like this question. But the question is, given a string s, return the string after replacing every uppercase letter with the same lowercase letter. Okay, so you see in the first example, s is equal to hello with a capital H, and the output is hello with lowercase h. Example 2, all letters are lowercase, so we just simply return the same string, and so on. The constraints are that the string length is between 1 and 100 characters, and S consists of printable ASCII characters. So let's take a look at the examples. Okay, so to solve this problem, we want an ASCII table, which is referenced here in this first example. It's super useful to solve this problem. So we have the first input string s example, hello, with a capital H. And we, like the problem asks, to return all the characters but in lowercase. To do this, we can start by defining an empty string answer to place all the lowercase letters. And then we loop through every character in the input string s. Okay, so we loop through every string, and then we see that the first character is h. And we say, okay, n is equal to ord character C, which is h. Ord is a uncommonly used function, and it returns to us the ASCII decimal value of the current character. So for capital H, it's 72, so n becomes 72. And then answer, we add this character to answer. But we want to, remember, return the lowercase character, so we add 32 to the current n value, and then convert it back to a character. Okay, so it's 72 at the moment, so the letter H becomes 72, and we add 32 to it in order for it to become lowercase. So all of the capitalized letters, if you notice on this ASCII table, are 32 numbers apart. So H is 72, and if you add 32, that's 104. So that's lowercase h. Same for G, 71 plus 32 is 103, lowercase g. 70 plus 32, capital F, becomes lowercase f at 102, and so on. So what we do then is, like we said, we add 32 to it, and if the value is over 64 and less than 91, we do this addition, because that would be then that means that it's a capitalized letter, so we have to add the 32. Because if you look back again, anything greater than 64 and less than 91 is all capitalized letters. Otherwise, if it's not in this range, that means it's already a lowercase, and we can simply return the string C and add it to the answer. So, like we were saying, it was at capital H, and that's 72. Using the ord function, we add 32 to it, it becomes a lowercase h, and we add that to answer, H. Okay, the next letter is E, and as you can see, it's 97 in this case. This is not in the range. 64, 91, we can just add it then. L, L, O, and so on. And then we just return, eventually, hello. Okay, let's look at this next example then, and at S equals lovely, and we have to return all lowercase. So we loop again through every character, and the first character is a capital L. We do the ord function of the current character, so capital L is 76, and 76 is between 64 and 91, so we add 32 to it, it becomes 108. And then we convert this numerical value back to a character, and it becomes a lowercase l. So far our answer is L. Looping then to the next character, capital O has a value of 79. So then we check if it is between 64 and 91. It is, so we add 32 to it because it's a capitalized letter, and it becomes 111, so lowercase o. But that's just the numerical value of 111, so don't forget the character function to convert it back to a character, so that's lowercase o, and we add that to the answer. Next is V in the string. and that is 86. Once again, we add 32 to it because it meets the conditions. It becomes 118. Convert that value back to a character, so it's a v, lowercase v. And so on. The same concept applies for the remaining characters, and we return lowercase lovely. Okay, let's check the solution. And it works. Great. Great solution. What is the time complexity of this solution? The time complexity of this solution is O of n, where n is the length of the input string. This is because we iterate through each character in the string once. The space complexity is actually O of n, and it's O of n because we're creating a new string to store the lowercase version of the input string. The space is used proportional to the length of the input string. That's answer. That's it for this problem. Thank you for watching.